Sonali,
Hi.
I heard Elevate 2.0 is there. What is this Elevate?
Oh, Elevate. Elevate is my passion project. It's my way of giving back to community. It's a day-long workshop, face-to-face, which we conduct at various locations across the country. And this is for everyone who belongs to life science professional background, who wants to explore their careers in the pharmaceutical industry.
Oh, that's interesting. So who all can register to Elevate?
Oh, so anyone who belongs to life science professional background, be it MBBS graduate or MD, any MD, or DM, DNB, PharmDs, BDS, MDS, PhDs, or any graduate who belongs to the life science professional and interested in exploring their careers or wants to upscale their career in pharmaceutical industries are welcome.
So is Elevate 2.0 the first edition of Elevate?
No, not at all. This is actually the second edition. Elevate 1.0 happened in Mumbai, and it was a great success, and you can see all the testimonials and the feedbacks of participants as well as faculty who were industry experts on our YouTube channel. And this is the second time we are launching or doing this in Nagpur on 25th of May 2025.
Oh, so Nagpur it is.
Yes.
And what is the last date of registration for Elevate?
So registrations are already started, and people have started booking their seats, but the seats are very limited, and for that we are declaring the registration deadline, which is 15th of May. Remember, 15th of May as early bird, and after that it will be given at a higher cost till the spot registration.
So Sonali, tell me, how is this different from whatever data, whatever today information that is available, freely available on YouTube or other conferences? I've attended many. So what is so different in Elevate?
Elevate is different from other workshops. It's an exclusive in-person workshop with one-to-one mentorship sessions, with panel discussions, with mock interview, with resume building activities, with group activities, with LinkedIn profile boost or optimization, with professional photo shoot, and with also a huge opportunity for networking. So I think this makes Elevate a very different workshop as compared to other workshops, and it is a power-packed one-day workshop happening in Nagpur on 25th of May, and registrations are closing very soon. 15th of May is the deadline for the same. So what are you waiting for? For those who are interested, registrations are open, and for that you can find the link for registration form in the caption. And if you have any queries or doubts, please do not hesitate to reach out. For that you can DM me on the number given or on the LinkedIn inbox. Thank you.